Janitrol, I believe a 3 or 4 ton unit stirred up. It's not on right now, but we're gonna get it stirred up. I know. No, don't grab the phone. Put it to 68. It's about 50 degrees in the house now. It was at 70 just a second ago. I put the unit to 50 and it just kicked on. Probably heard it make some loud noises. I believe it's the capacitor. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, here it is. Yeah, we're not replacing anything. I'm not an AC technician. But I will get AC stirred up. I think I'm gonna go to the base where the furnace is. Here's the gas furnace running. Here's the coils. We're gonna head back in. Run, guys. Here we are back out. Side. Here, took me a minute to get the key out. It's a sweet new car that the owners have. Pretty sweet. Oh, I'm bleeping that license out. Alright. Can't see anything in there. Yeah. It's actually a pretty sweet car. Now I'm getting distracted. I'm gonna let it back up. Oh! You know what? Nah. It's way too risky. I might try it. Guys, never try this. Wow, YouTube is not, blue blowing. It's blowing very blue. Now I'm gonna go show you. It's been running through. Maybe when it hits 5 minutes, we're gonna turn it off. And I might set something up and get $2. Wait, it's off, guys.
Saturday, what are you doing? What's up, baby?
Gus, I need my phone back.
Yeah, you can have it. Hang on, sweetie.
I need it.
Oh, my.
All right, the Janitrol's off. Time to go get a shot of the Rheem. By the way, that was not my house. That's my grandparents' house. Yeah, we lived together. Today we'll be seeing, I believe it's like a 4 or 3 ton, 2015 Rheem air conditioner. It's back here. I don't know if it's on Oh, it is on. I'm gonna get I can't get the thermostat because I can hardly see. Now it's at 72 and 72. That's what the thermostat says. Subscribe to see another AC start up. Because I'll do the upstairs unit of this house, which is the smaller AC unit, but we're gonna like unit on. Not today, but soon, hopefully. I don't think the second floor owner would not like that. But it's a little higher. So you can barely see it. Plus I cannot. It's the gas furnace. Nothing.